Hey friends, it's your girl DonyB and welcome back to yet another Clean With Me. In today's Clean With Me, I am going to be tackling my stairs. This is my son's favorite place to play, and so therefore there are quite a few stains on there. So if this is something that you're going to be interested in, please stay tuned and keep watching. This is a first-hand look of my stairs. As you can see, there is a stain right there. My son tends to hang around stairs 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so while I was going to go ahead and clean those, I decided to go ahead and clean the whole staircase. I'm going to start off by using my cordless vacuum cleaner that my husband purchased for me. If you have not seen that unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and link that up above. But I'm just going to use the concentrator and get into the grooves, like the parts that's close to the wall and in the creases of the stairs. I'm going to go back and follow with my vacuum cleaner attachment, but I know in these little crevices, the vacuum cleaner is going to miss those. I'm going to take this time now to introduce myself. My name is DonyB, and I am a stay-at-home, well, a work-from-home mom and wife of 2 little boys. On my channel, you will find Clean With Me's, Cook With Me's natural hair videos, and anything mom life. I also have a couple of vlogs that I throw in there as well. If this is something that you're interested in, please consider jumping down there and hitting that subscribe button. And also, if you have been following me and you've been sticking tough with me, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to comment down below and share my videos. So let's get back to cleaning. Now the part that we have all been waiting for, shampoo time. Alright, so I picked this Hoover Spotless cleaner up off of Amazon. It's handheld and supposed to be really convenient, and it had a whole bunch of great reviews. So I'm like, hey, why don't you go ahead and give this a try? You got a couple of stains on the stairs that you've been staring at for the longest. It's time to clean that up, sis. And also, I am still working on my spring cleaning. I know it's kind of late, but hey, things around my house are kind of hectic, and I'm taking it one room at a time and little by little as I go.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Focusing on that red thing that it's on the head of the vacuum hose, that is a rubber brush. And when you come across a difficult spot, what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to spray the solution on it and you rub it back and forth with the rubber portion of that brush there, and it's supposed to help lift up the dirt so you can vacuuming it. This entire process was extremely easy. If I wasn't recording, this would have taken me maybe 30-45 minutes from beginning to end. That includes vacuuming and also shampooing the floor. But you know, I gotta get you guys those angles, so it took me just a little bit longer. But this was simple. So this right here is the stain that I am most concerned about out of all the stairs. Out of all the stairs, this is the one stain. As you saw while I was cleaning, my son likes to sit on the stairs and play with his iPad. So the last couple stairs has like quite a few stains on them, but this is the biggest one here. So this is going to be the telltale on how good this machine actually is. Not completely gone, but it is pretty good. I probably need to get some other carpet cleaner, like some Resolve that I have in there, something else to treat the spot because it has been there for a while. So I might need to spot treat it and then come back for it, but for the most part it did do pretty good and to get up most of what was already down there. After spraying the Resolve, I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and while it was sitting, I went to tackle the stairs that were below it. Cleaning water goes out on the left, dirty water comes back on the right. The Resolve has had time to sit for about 5 minutes. I'm going to spray a little more solution and then I'm going to rub it with the brush to break up the dirt before I try to suction it up. And just like that, I am all done. And might I add, the stairs look great. With just a little bit of elbow grease, I was able to tackle that pesky stain. I hope this was enough motivation to get you up and going and tackle that little bit of chaos that you see every time you pass it. It kind of nags at you, because you know what? If you don't clean it up, it ain't gonna clean itself. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of DonyB TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.